Health education. Health education is the professional giving the health tips to maintain or to promote or to curative and to give the preventive care to the persons or to the individual and to the peoples. You have to give the care. You have to give the education, health education to the person. That is health education topic. Today I am going to explain for first year fundamentals of nursing subject practical for the purpose of practical examination. Now I am explaining about the how to prepare the lesson planning and how to prepare the AVATs. Okay, AVATs preparation and lesson planning preparation. First slide. Meaning. Meaning of health education. The common meaning of health education. Health education is the profession of educating the people about health. Okay, you already know in the health definition that health is the state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not 0.1111% absence of any disease or any infirmity. Like that you can give the focus and 100% health to the patient. That is the definition of health. Health education is the giving the or profession of educating the people. Okay, health education the only the term, that's the profession of giving the health education. Okay, for giving the health education there is have a separate nurses, community health nurse or public health nurse or ANMs, like that. Areas within within this profession encompass the environmental health, physical health, social health, emotional health, intellectual health, spiritual health, as well as sexual health, reproductive health, education. Okay, it is covering all types of health, maybe physical, maybe any injuries, any mechanical injuries, any chemical injuries, like that. They're giving the health education, giving the education about physical health to improve the physical health and to improve the mental health. You can give some tips of yoga, meditation, like that, and social health and environmental health, to maintain the environmental sanitation and to prevent open identification, to build a toilet training. This all the including the environmental health for prevention of mosquitoes breeding, like that. And emotional health to give the mentally health, to control the how to control or how to manage the emotion, the death of the person, like that. You give the health education about that one. And intellectual health and spiritual about the God. Okay, how to maintain the spiritual time, how to spend the spiritual time in your personal life, like that. And some sexual health, that's family planning, about the family planning, and about the reproductive, about the how to grow children with good nutrition, like that. That's reproductive health. These are the some complete components of health education topics or health education content. Okay, there are mainly two components of health education. First one lesson planning, next one AVATs. Okay, before you preparing the AVATs audiovisual aids, you have to prepare the lesson planning. Okay, the simple format of writing the lesson planning. Now I mainly focusing on the how to write the lesson planning. Theory class is different. This is completely a practical hour. Okay, how to prepare the lesson planning and how to write the lesson planning with a good format. Okay, before writing the lesson planning, you have to focus on the this introduction page. Okay, introduction page, that is name of the teacher, that is your name of the teacher, and subject, which subject are you covering, and fundamentals of nursing, like that. And unit. Okay, any unit lesson planning for any unit or any topic of selection, which topic are you focusing, and previous knowledge of any previous knowledge about the students, or any previous knowledge of about the learners, and methods of teaching and David's using, or flipchart or flashcard, like that. And number of students present and date and time of presentation of lesson planning or presentation of health education. And duration 45 minutes, 45 minutes of giving health education, or 30 minutes of giving health education, like that. And when you means place where you have to give where you are have to give, will have to give in the health education, that is venue. Okay, so this is the lesson planning general objectives and specific objective style. This is the style of writing and this is the format. Okay, for writing the general objectives, you have to write like this. This sentence, use this sentence for writing the all types of lesson planning. It may be teaching lesson planning, about it may be practical preparing the lesson planning ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. For general objectives, at the end of this section, health education session, learners will be able to know the knowledge, attitude, skills about the topic, your topic name. For example, personal hygiene, how to wash the teeth and how to take the bed bath, like that. That is the some tips or some health education charts. I have to write about skills about the personalization topic name with desirable objectives. These are the some desirable objectives. Okay, this next one, specific objectives. Mainly focus on this area, specific objectives. For taking example of Food Adulteration Act, for taking the example of Food Adulteration Act in the complete nursing subject, okay, specific objectives should be in the first letter is small one, D, like that. Yes, small one. You use this type of terms: define, describe, explain, enlist, enhance, mention, list out, list out. These are the same different types of different terms. Okay, for example, define nursing, like that. If you're giving the personal hygiene, define personal hygiene, like that. Okay, and describe what are the different techniques of personal hygiene, like that. Okay, and mention the types of personal hygiene, like that. See, this is the some specific objectives. This is the general objective. These are the your general objectives, general or central objective. These are the we have to mainly focusing on this object. For succeeding this object, for achieving this object, you have to put some additional object. Specifically, you have to prove these objectives, goals, specific goals. You have to define the personal hygiene. You have to define, you have to show the definition picture in the your flip chart, AVAs. With help of AVAs, you have to show the definition. You have to describe that personal hygiene, various different types of personal hygiene, like that. And explain and enlist, mention, and list out this all the some content or some specific objectives terms. This is the format. This is the format you have to write. You have to follow the format writing the lesson planning. First, serial number one, and time. The mainly the common time is 45 minutes, 5 minutes for yours giving the health education content, not more than that and not within that. Okay, 45 minutes, 5 minutes is the your time. You have to manage the times. You have to complete the your 45 minutes time within the this schedule. Okay, serial number one, time in minutes. For 2 minutes, you take the 2 minutes for content, introduce the topic, introduce the your topic, introduce the about personal aging. Okay, write the introduction. What is personal aging? What is meaning of personal and what is meant by hygiene, like that. You divide the topic and you have to give the beautiful introduction. Your teaching method using explaining or lecture method. One way, first you have to explaining the method, explain the content. Next, learners activity, they are listening. AVS use it. You're not at all using any AVS in giving the introduction to the topic. Okay, next, not any evaluation. This is the introduce the topic. Next, next, after the introduce the topic, you start adding this non specific objectives here. See the specific objectives. Define the personal hygiene. After the introduction, you write define the personal hygiene. You take 5 minutes time or 2 minutes time. Define the personal hygiene and write the content. What is personal hygiene? Definition and teaching method. Lecturing come discussion. Okay, lecturing or discussion are this one. Presenting or learners activity, they are listening. Learners activity, always they are listening or discussing, like that. In aviates use it, flip chart or flashcard or like that. And evaluation, define the personalizing question mark. In evaluation form, define the personalizing question mark. Okay, this is how you have to maintain all the type of questions until you finish your objectives. After the finishing all types of specific objectives, the final one, summarize or recapitalization. Okay, recapitalization, that summarize the topic. In summarize the topic and introduce the topic, there is no need to write any specific objectives in the specific objectives column. You write only the introduction and summary in the content column. In the content only summarize the topic. Summarize the topic. Personal is very important in your personal life. You have to maintain some good health condition in our human body, like that. You have to summarize the topic in your personal words, in personal terms. And in the teaching method also, teachers are explaining, like that. You have to write learners are listening and aviates use it. For if you have any, if you used any aviates in the summarize the topic, you can write that aviates type. And evaluation, no need to write any evaluation. Okay, in the summarize the topic and introduce the topic, you have to, you no need to write any evaluation, no need to fill any evaluation column. Okay, see, this is the lesson planning format. Next, simple steps of preparation of audiovisual aids, heavy aids. Okay, audio is different, visual is different. Audio means only the audio. There is no any radio. For example, radio. No any video. Visual means only visual. Only video clips. Mute video clips. Here we using both audio with video. Audio and with video. Audio visual aids. How to prepare the audiovisual aids using some simple tips or simple steps. I'll give some simple steps of preparation of audiovisual aids. In the store, in the bookstores, Paul usually has the crazy carbon shooter drawing sheet. It's like this, okay? You bought the drawing sheet or crazy carbon sheet. I suggest the colors. It's very highlighted color for the health education chart: yellow, pink, light blue. It's very highlighted. Okay, it's my suggestions about the colors yellow, pink, and light blue. You can take any other colors, there is no problem. My suggestion is yellow, pink, and light blue. Okay, flashcard preparation. Okay, flashcard preparation. Flashcard is very easy and it's very good. Highlighted areas for exploring the more ideas, exploring the more ideas on the health education content. Flashcard is very easy to prepare and easy to explain and easy to explore also. Okay, like length and width of the one crazy carbon sheet paper is around 60 to 70 centimeter. The first of all, the length and width, okay, length and width of the crazy carbon sheet, see, 60 or 70, 60 centimeter, 60 to 70 or 60 to 70, like rectangular crazy carbon sheet cut into four pieces. Cut into four pieces. I will give show the picture, and now the length and width of the one piece of paper sheet is around 30 to 35 centimeter. Stick 1 inch blue color or black color tape around all edges. I will show the picture. See, after buying the some 6 to 70 centimeter of A4 sheet, okay, you can divide these two pieces and then make it as a four pieces. Okay, after this one, you make it as a four pieces. One crazy carbon sheet is divided into four pieces. Okay, four pieces. Then that four pieces, the each piece have 30 centimeter each. Okay, 30 centimeter each. One crazy carbon sheet is able to prepare only four charts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only four sheet. Okay, the French the chart French sheet is like this. Okay, for your making any lesson planning on food and nutrition or any vitamins, any good and vitamin A suggestions or vitamin B suggestion like that, you can do the food and preparation, give the food and nutrition title lesson planning uh, on food and nutrition like that, or food and nutrition health education submitted to whatever teacher suggests. You write to the teacher and submitted by his your name and submitted date when you are submitting. And in sutta and around the four edges you have to paste the or stick the some black or blue color tape, 1 inch tape. Okay, this is the front chart. It should be like this. I'll show the sample picture also. Okay, and print paper paste collected photos, any one information, and backside of the last paper write about that pasted photo. Okay, right. Once the print paper, okay, see, this is the print paper. Okay, after opening the print sheet, after opening the print sheet, you able to write, able to stick some foods about the vitamin A. Backside of this chart, okay, backside of the print chart, you write about this health education picture, health education picture, health education photo. About this content or about this description, you write backside of this headline. Okay, next, like that, like that you follow and you can write same thing. You have to follow until preparation of 8 to 10 flashcards. Okay, 8 to 10 flashcards. I will show the examples charts. Okay, see the sample for how to writing the lesson planning while taking the wound dealing. 1 second, I will show the, see the lesson plan on wound dealing. For example, lesson planning on wound dealing, this is the last year students format. Okay, see, like that you write the lesson planning on wound dealing. This A4 sheet, submitted to, submitted by, and submitted date. After that lesson planning, this is the identification data. Identification data, name of the topic, all the content is there. Okay, all the content is there. You look and practice. And general objectives, specific objectives like this, C, D, L, 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 E, all are small words, and define the ODD like that. You have to select the topic. This is the format. Okay, I explained in this class Allah. See the serial number, time, subscribe, it is content. There's no need to write anything in the introduction column. Next, in the explaining column, see teachers are defining or explaining about the topic, and learners are learning or listening through the class. Events result, flashcards, and with the evaluation format, you write define only link. Define only link. Don't write what is this is a long format. This is just like that. Define only like that. You write, right, and then after all the content finished, then you start a summary. Summary should be like here. Okay, summary ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, right, summary like that. And next, conclusion. Right, conclusion the separate paper. Conclusion like this, you have to write, conclude the topic. Next, bibliography. Bibliography, it should be Vancouver style. Okay, bibliography or reference, it should be Vancouver style. First, I have to write the author name, next textbook name, author name, next comma, put comma, next textbook name with addition, and published by, and published here, and published place, next comma ki, and published here ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next comma, next put page number. Like that, you have to write the bibliography. Okay, this is about the lesson planning. Okay, this is about the lesson planning. Next, that is about lesson planning. You have to write and prepare. Next, flip chart or flashcard preparation. Okay, flashcard preparation. This is the way of preparing the flashcard. The vertical is there. You have to write like this. Are you? Its screen is visible. It is not visible. Okay. Now it is visible. Yes. Yes. Okay. See, this is the vertical health education chart. The flashcard or your type of chart is completely depending on your idea, your plan. I suggest the horizontal preparation. Okay, this is the vertical flashcards. You can write like this. Okay, you can write like this. You can prepare like this only. There is no any problem. Any problem? For example, ಗಾಯ ಗುಣವಾಗುವ ಕುರಿತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, that is wound healing. About health education on wound healing. Okay, wound healing process or wound healing techniques and wound healing tips. Okay, this like this you have to write. And this is the around the 1 inch of edges. You have to paste some stick some plaster, black or blue color plaster. Then write the topic name, ಗಾಯ ಗುಣವಾಗುವ ಕುರಿತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ or wound healing, health education on wound healing, and submitted by and submitted date. Okay, after the second one, introduction, PTK. The lesson planning and health education flashcard, it should be in Kannada, in Kannada language. For Kerala language, it is very difficult. You can write lesson planning in English language. English language, you can write lesson planning in English. In this chart, you highlight the picture only. Okay, you highlight the picture only. Edit the picture and paste the picture. In backside, you write your own language, Malayalam or English. You can write in English language in backside of the chart. For example, if you're giving the introduction, you write the introduction, and you write something about this picture. You pasted some picture here. You write something about this picture like here. Okay. ಗಾಯವೆಂದರೆ ಚರ್ಮ, ಲೋಳೆಯ ಪೊರೆಯ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಹದ ಇತರ ಅಂಗಗಳ ನಿರಂತರದ ವಿರಾಮ. Okay, it's about wound. Okay, wound is something skin injuries to the skin, like that you can write in Kannada. In Kannada, just like that you can write. The Kannada students will help for writing in Kannada language in the chat. There's no need to worry. Okay, this is introduction. Next, meaning. Okay, this should be pictures should be highlighted. Highlight ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. It should be some enlarged. This picture should be enlarged ಇಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, enlarge or large picture. You can write some meaning. And this is the stages of wound healing. You write first stage in one chart, second stage in another chart, like that. And third of any problems, any inflammation condition. Okay, in inflammation condition and signs and symptoms. Okay, complications of wound healing, like that you can prepare. And complication. Okay, complications of wound healing. You can highlight this part, highlight the picture. It should be highlighted. It should be visible to about 20 feet. Okay, about 20 feet or at least 10 feet. Your attested picture has to visible to all the learners, all the peoples. Okay, it should be enlarged. Okay, and treatment of wound healing. And finally, the some picture, some telling something about the terms. That is, screen is visible. Now it is visible screen. Yes, yes, screen is visible. Okay, okay. Okay, next, select appropriate health education topic. I'll suggest some topics. Suggest some topics about health education preparation. Okay, see, this is the technique of how to preparing the health education. That is lesson planning and also click chart or flashcard. If you have any doubt, ask and clear your doubts. Okay, for selecting the topic, these are my suggestions: food and nutrition, personal hygiene, fever treatment, balanced diet, environmental hygiene, and diabetic diet. And basic techniques about vitamins, about eye care, how to take the eye care, and nose care, nail care, bed bath, active and passive exercises, and position and first aid for dog bite, first aid for snake bite, and clutch walking, nebulization, oxygen administration, ORS preparation, DASH diet for hypertension patient, and headache management or pain management, dehydration, and insulin administration. These are the basic terms. Okay, see, gather gather information or gather the photos. Okay, gather photos for preparation of flashcard or any clip chart from internet source, or refer some books, or refer latest newspaper or old newspaper. Collect all your information for taking any example for food and nutrition. Andre, there is fruits photos available in the newspapers. Okay, fruits photo and food photos that's available in the newspapers or in any magazines, like that can available in the Google Images or textbooks. And basically use internet source. Internet is a good source for referring, for taking the photos and this one information. Or if it's not at all if possible, you can write in hand. That's very good. You can highlight it. Okay, you can draw the pictures. Draw the pictures in some A4 sheet and cut the A4 sheet and paste on the flashcard, or directly draw on the diagram about your content in the flashcard. Okay, so that's all very good with it. This is about health education, preparation of behaviors, and writing format of lesson planning. If you have any doubt, ask and clear your doubt.